对了，很好，很好。
Hi guys, I'm Stella and welcome to Jingshan Park on the Beijing Central Axis. Have you ever wondered how Beijing residents spend their leisure time? Where do they go to have a good time? Today I will explore public cultural life at the Meihou 40 Jingshan Civic Cultural Center, Gungu Bookstore and Nanyang Theater. Let's go! Heading east from Jingshan, you'll find the China Art Gallery and many cultural spots tucked within the hutongs. My adventure begins at Meihou 40 Jingshan Civic Cultural Center. Since its opening in September 2020, it has hosted over 1,000 public cultural activities each year. Therefore, it has been hailed as the most joyful Beijing courtyard. And today, I'm here to take a kite making class. This is Shayan kite or swallow kite, and it is favored by Beijingers. The bird is supposed to bring you good luck and fortune. So the first step is color this kite, and you can dip this brush in the water and choose the colors that you like.
拿起来，你看这黄的地儿就给它这儿，都给它画上黄的，没事儿。
叶子的地方是吧？
对。
In this class, we get to experience the art of kite making, a craft with a history dating back over 2,000 years, yet it feels so close to us.
我这个画的是呢，10个蝙蝠，10全福寿，再有就成年的燕子1比8。
The teacher prioritizes sparking people's interest in popularizing the swallow kite culture. Therefore, he encourages us to unleash our creativity in painting.
现在呢，我们叫什么呢？广泛的传播，包括北京的这个各种的手艺，不管你喜欢哪一行，只要你坚持下去，你就能达到传承的效果。
I think this class is very meaningful because you can not only obtain knowledge on this particular folk art, but also get some hands-on experience. You can see how this beautifully designed kite is made in your own hands. Can you believe that there are 2 underground floors here and there are a total of 21 activity rooms in this courtyard? Just think, residents can take a bus or stroll to this place and indulge in a variety of activities from reading, singing, dancing to sinology, drama, and arts. How convenient is that? A warm-hearted staff member takes me on a tour of the underground activity rooms at Meihou 40. The costume room showcases traditional Chinese qipao and knotted buttons made with ancient tailoring methods, where locals come to practice sewing in their spare time. As we walk on, we enter the reading room, where residents can borrow books for free using a municipal transportation card. Moreover, the tea room offers tea tasting and lessons in Chinese flower arranging. The guqin room particularly caught my eye. Adorning its walls are guqins, the Chinese zithers in various styles such as Fuxi and Confucius, along with other types. Luckily, there's a teacher present, so I approach her to learn some finger techniques. The teacher graciously demonstrated 2 basic techniques for playing. Besides traditional cultural activities, Meihou 40 also draws kids doing physical exercise or taking street dance classes. The quaint quadrangle courtyard provides a surprising range of activities to explore. I will definitely add Meihou 40 to my weekend getaway destination list. After the kite making class at Meihou 40, my next stop will be Gungu Bookstore. Let's go! This bookstore is currently hosting a Buddy Gather solo exhibition. Wow, look at this place, they're so adorable! Oh, and there is also an area for stamping. I've also got my book for stamp collection.
On Longfu Street, Gungu Bookstore is a chic and stylish public bookstore. It's an example of the new wave of urban reading spaces which can provide a modern twist and a delightful complement to traditional bookstores. Here in Gungu Bookstore, you'll find comic-style decor and trendy cultural products. Meanwhile, it offers digital services. The books in the reading zone are labeled so you can get a physical and e-library card on a bilingual self-service machine.
Okay, now it's time to head over to Nanyang Theater for my roller skating party. The music is loud in here. These shoes are the skates that I will be wearing tonight, and they are quite heavy. Let me put them on.
At first, I struggled with the roller skates, but I quickly loosened up thanks to the funky music and dazzling lights. The participants were mostly my peers, and I soon made some new friends.
看到了吗？这就是我刚刚老远就注意到的漂亮的姐姐，也是来今天参加我们轮滑派对的小姐姐。你觉得这里作为一个放松的地方，比如周末啊，平时来这里 chill 一下，是不是一个很好的选择？
首选
是吗？
因为我家离这儿特别近，
然后就住在东城区的胡同里。
对。
Young folks gather here, and without many words, they effortlessly bond. Perhaps socializing and interaction is what Nanyang Theater is after when throwing this party. The original vision behind the Nanyang Theater was to create a collaborative theater for playwrights and creators. Now, the second and third floors serve as drama workshops and co-working spaces where they can work, rehearse, record podcasts, and conduct training sessions.
The events hosted at 美后40 Gungu Bookstore and Nanyang Theater embrace traditional culture as well as trendy and youthful culture, and they're open for all ages. I also noticed that the government subsidy has made these activities quite affordable. Some were even offered for free.
During my city walk in Beijing today, I indulged in the public cultural life along the Central Axis. If you're also looking to experience Beijing's entertainment and culture, it's worth checking out what this route has to offer.